Hello, today I'm going to show you this mini sewing machine. It's great for small projects, and I'm going to also show you what comes with it. This is its table, and it also has a secret door for extra bobbins and needles. It has a light and a switch that you can control if you want to use the foot pedal or not. I'm going to use the foot pedal because I want to have control. And it also has a speed selector. The speed selector is very easy. It's very easy to put on. There's my pair of pants. It's a little too long. And also I need to show you how it works. Put your foot down after you put your cloth underneath. Get your foot pedal or you press that button. As you can see, it's very clean. You lift your foot up, drag it out from underneath, yes. If the needle's in the down position, you have to rotate the handle wheel. Adjusting its tension wheel. Go over to the thread cutter. And